Nerves from the lumbar plexus originate from ventral rami from L1 through L5. Beginning at L1, this spinal nerve bifurcates into the iliohypogastric and the ilioinguinal nerve. The iliohypogastric nerve innervates skin of the gluteal and pubic regions, while the ilioinguinal nerve innervates abdominal muscles as well as skin of the pubic and inguinal regions. Next, from L1 and L2, we have the genitofemoral nerve, which innervates skin of the inguinal region as well as the cremaster muscle. Following that, from L2 and L3, we have the lateral cutaneous nerve of the thigh, which innervates skin of the anterolateral thigh. Next, from L2 through L4, we have the obturator nerve, which innervates 4 adductor muscles of the thigh, as well as skin of the medial thigh. Finally, also from L2 through L4, we have the femoral nerve, which innervates flexors of the hip, extensor of the knee, and skin of the anterior thigh. So the autonomic nervous system is used in part to innervate the abdominal organs. So we have the 2 divisions there, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Starting with the sympathetic, which moves from T1 down to L3, we have various nerves which branch off there presynaptically. So from T5 through T9, we get the greater splanchnic nerve. T10 and T11 have the lesser splanchnic nerve. T12 has the least splanchnic nerve. L1 through L3 have the lumbar splanchnic nerve. The greater splanchnic nerve synapses in the celiac ganglion, and postsynaptic fibers then innervate the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Next, the lesser splanchnic nerve synapses at the superior mesenteric ganglion, and postsynaptic fibers innervate the small intestine and the colon. Next, the least splanchnic nerve synapses at the aorticorenal ganglion, and those postsynaptic fibers innervate the suprarenal gland, kidney, and gonads. And finally, the lumbar splanchnic nerve, which synapses at the inferior mesenteric ganglion, then postsynaptic fibers move to innervate the colon. Next, in the parasympathetic system, we have the vagus nerve, which innervates the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, stomach, and colon, and it also synapses in these organs. Finally, in S2, 3, and 4, we have the pelvic splanchnic nerve, which innervates the colon, and like the vagus nerve, it synapses in its target organ.